Hello from Boracay. Hi guys. It is so beautiful here. Beautiful white powdered sand beach. Hello. Good morning. Lots of friendly people, and if you look behind me, the water is super clear. Too big, oh boy, what was it called? Too big, nah, something, oh boy. Wow, I forgot already. Oh no. Anyways, clear water. You can go literally to water that's higher than your head and you can still see in the water. It's amazing. So, yep, just wanted to say hi, give you a quick update on where I am. And I will be posting up photos pretty soon. So stay tuned. Mwah. Peace.